Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the Outdoor Advertising Association of the Philippines, I wish to express our sincere congratulations to Fiera de Manila on its 28th Graphic Expo 2015. The OAP is an organization of outdoor practitioners established in 1964. Today, OAP has more than 100 company members nationwide, dedicated to promote growth and advancement of the out-of-home advertising industry in the Philippines under the ideals of legal and ethical practice in the spirit of self-regulation. Our mission and vision: we envision an association whose members abide by the code of ethics in the practice of their profession and guided by the principle of self-regulation, and be the only outdoor advertising association recognized by the advertising industry as well as the government. We endeavor members to be responsible citizens who practice self-regulation within our industry and who collaborate with the government as we observe public safety, environmental concerns, the rule of law, and respect for one another in the practice of our profession, vis-a-vis promoting the greater importance of the outdoor media in the service of our advertising industry, our community, and our country. Over the years, the Outdoor Advertising Association of the Philippines has been the constant partner of Fiera de Manila on its annual Graphic Expo. This year, it's no different. OAP supports and endorses the 20th Graphic Expo 2015 with the theme Disruptive Technologies and Connectivity Changing the World. This event is indeed an opportune time for the advertising industry, particularly the out-of-home media where we belong, to promote their latest world-class products and services that are flexible and adaptable in responding to the many emerging global challenges to the industry. We wish all the conference delegates, trade exhibitors, visitors, a successful and fruitful experience throughout this event. And we hope that your participation will be personally, professionally rewarding. Again, our congratulations to Fiera de Manila on organizing the 20th Graphic Expo 2015. Thank you and mabuhay.